All right, so picture this. You're in a pharmaceutical plant, right?
Right.
And you got to swap out this big heavy valve
Mm-hmm.
on one of those giant tumble blenders,
Oh, wow. Yeah.
the ones they use to like mix the powders for medication.
Right.
You'd think you'd need like a whole team to handle that thing.
Yeah, for sure.
But what if I told you
Yeah.
you could do it all by yourself,
Really?
safely and efficiently?
Huh. How's that?
That's where this valve handling post lift comes in
Okay. I'm intrigued.
from post material handling.
Okay.
It's a total game changer.
I can see how something like that could be really valuable.
Oh, absolutely.
Especially in an industry like pharmaceuticals, where
Right.
you have those really strict safety and hygiene standards.
You always hear about that.
Yeah. I mean, manually handling these massive valves,
Right.
sometimes weighing hundreds of pounds.
Wow.
It's not only time consuming,
Yeah.
but it's also like an accident waiting to happen.
Oh, yeah.
You're talking about back strain,
Oh, for sure.
crushed fingers. You could even drop the valve.
Oh, geez.
And then you're talking about real damage.
So, what exactly does this valve handling post lift do to fix that?
Well, the biggest thing is it's designed for just one operator.
Oh, wow.
So one person can safely and efficiently remove and install these valves.
So you cut down on the risk of injury right away.
Exactly. And not just that, studies have shown
Yeah.
that using a lift like this can actually cut down valve change over time
No kidding.
by like 50%.
Huge boost for productivity.
That's amazing.
Yeah, less downtime, things run smoother, everybody's happy.
It runs on a battery, so you can wheel it around wherever you need it.
Okay.
You just position it under the blender,
Hmm.
use the controls to raise the lifting arm,
Right.
and that takes the entire weight of the valve.
Okay.
And then the operator can just guide the valve,
Yeah.
whether they're removing it or installing it,
Mhm.
and they're totally out of harm's way.
That's great. And you mentioned hygiene earlier.
Well, the whole lift is made from 304 stainless steel
Okay.
with a number 4 finish.
All right.
It's like that smooth, polished surface you see on those
Yeah.
like fancy kitchen appliances.
I gotcha.
It's not just about looks, though.
Right.
That finish makes it super easy to clean and sanitize.
Which is obviously super important in a pharmaceutical plant.
Absolutely. You don't want any contamination.
No, not at all.
Big concern there. Yeah, it's a great example of how equipment that's designed well can solve a specific problem,
Right.
and then everybody wins,
Exactly.
Improves safety, improves efficiency.
And I see here it also says it's made in the USA,
Oh, that's great.
which is always a plus.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, it's interesting. We've been talking about pharmaceutical plants,
Mm-hmm.
but are there other industries that could benefit from this kind of approach?
Oh, absolutely.
Like what comes to mind?
Well, I'd say any industry that has to deal with those heavy, awkward components,
Okay.
especially in environments where hygiene is really important,
Okay.
like food processing,
Makes sense.
chemical manufacturing, even research labs.
Yeah.
There's a lot of possibilities.